market, best broker in Africa, fastest growing. Let me give you guys a heads up. So first of all, just know that NFP is a news event. It's a news event. So therefore, we trade based on a forecast. It's nothing to do with technical. It is traded based on predictions or what we may see possible. Definitely. This is the NFP. Let's go. I'm opening my trading account. I'm live with my one phone. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. There is my phone. The forecast says that. Ooh, so here's the best way to trade it. The market, we must expect very volatile movements. GBP USD, if you're trading AUD USD, you're definitely seeing a drop on the AUD USD. If you're trading GU, definitely seeing a drop there. But do keep in mind that this is a fundamental event. So therefore the market can go either way. We are seeing anything for the dollar. Anything for the dollar. It is anything for the dollar. USD JQ, I'm definitely seeing a push on that side. Let's open, let's go. Just like that, just like that. Let's see. Anything for the dollar. I'm trading GU, I'm trading USD JQ. I know Kelly's trading gold. It's for the gold people. Kelly saw a sell. Let's see, let's go. Trading with the best broker, of course. We are a minute away. We are a minute away. Let's go, just like that. Anything for the dollar. Anything for the dollar. Trading with RCG Market, best broker in Africa. Just like that. Young MO and all, with King MO in the live. Anything for the dollar. We're catching direction, and then opposite. Then we're also catching the reverse. Anything for gold, and then for we're going for the dollar. We're not trading against the dollar. We are not trading against the dollar. There we go. GU. Take the volume down. Let's see all these trades. Back in. Anything for the dollar. Keep Forex today. Okay, there we go. Okay, I got my network back on this side. Are we winning on this side? Okay, let's see. I see tell it. Anything for the dollar. I'm opening it on my desktop. Just like that. every fucking. Let's see. Let's see. My wife's on the live. Smashed just like that with RCG Market, best broker in Africa. Killed, Papa. Killed. Stop the entry. Let's stop the entry though. Let's show the entry. Look at that entry point. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Trying to come back, but it cannot. 5,000 rand to literally 40k. There was a point I was holding about 60,000 rand. This is trading real life. NFP chopped hard with the best broker, as you can see right there. Real account, RCG Market, best in Africa. Here, there's no funny what. Chop the market, just like that. For me, I'm done. As a wrap, it's a Friday. Take my profit, 5,000, as you can see. I'm fine, I've had enough. I'm closing. Danko, 50,000.
Have you been looking for a reliable broker or looking to upgrade to a safer broker that values its customers and has a history in the industry? Well guys, look no further than AAA-FX. This broker has 14 years industry experience. This means they've been in business from over a decade and their ability to work with the customer is amazing, as they make the customer success their top priority. AAA-FX is an online broker that is based in Athens, Greece, founded in 2008, and it has traders in 176 countries around the world. On their platform, there are over 200 instruments to trade. They offer 3 trading platforms, of which it is the most popular one, MT4, and the next generation platform, MT5, and the most advanced technology platform, Trader. You can trade using your desktop devices, laptops, iOS, Android cell phone, and tablet, so that you can be able to execute those trades while you're on the move. As of 2022, they are current winners of the most transparent broker by UF Awards. Why should you join them? Well, I'm gonna tell you why I chose to join them. Well, besides having my favorite instruments, which are the currencies, since I'm a Forex trader, you also find instruments like indices, which works great for me since I also trade Nasdaq and US30. There are shares in spot metals and a vast number of other CSDs and commodities you can choose from. When I make my deposit, I receive 100% deposit bonus, which means I've got nothing to lose but something to gain. And you can make your deposit at the minimum of $100 only. One thing that stands out about them for me, it is that since I'm a Forex trader, on over 70 currency pairs, they've got 0 pip spread and also 0 commission upon executing your trade. AAA-FX team of professionals are available to assist you 24 hours from Monday to Friday for any challenge that you may come across. Furthermore, AAA-FX has a Zulu trade copy trade system, which allows you to copy the trade of the professional traders who have been trading in the industry, and also saving you time and hassle of having to analyze and always in front of your screen. So you can just copy any successful trader's trades on their system. As the Zulu trade system ranks each and every trader's success rate over a period of time, you can also copy the trades of that successful trader on that given week. So take it from me, Mr. Forex and beyond, and place your first trade with AAA-FX in less than 15 minutes. And before you do that, you're gonna need to register with them, of which it takes only a minute. And these are the following documents that you're gonna need: your ID photo, your proof of residence, and you can deposit instantly using their over 10 methods of deposit available on their system. And from there, you can start your successful trading journey. And for more details or to register, click the link in the description box and start trading, and let your trading journey begin. Good luck.